G'day, and nanga here. Now, this Tradie Tradie's got some top tips how to build a computer under 15 minutes, you know. Now, you should fucking watch this, because I fucking tell you what, it's pretty fucking groovy. And if you don't fucking watch it, I'll fucking spear you cunts in the fucking kneecaps, right? So you watch Tradie Tradie build a computer under 15 fucking minutes, mate. Watch it.
Right, let's have a crack at it.
Call wanker's cramp if you don't do it right, eh? You see this? This technique here?
Some people need to learn about wanker's cramp. That can be easily avoided when you follow this technique. So you're not going like that all the time. Fucking good, eh?
What we're undoing there is the power supply, I think. So we'll just take a couple more screws out and we'll get this big red box apart. Show you inside him, eh? We missed that screw there, eh? Right, now let's open him up. These stubborn bastard, eh? Red boxes.
Come on, cunt.
Get that fucking box apart, mate. Fuck, give it to him, mate. Smash the cunt. Go on. That's it. You got him. Yeah. That's the shit, mate. Righto. Now what we're gonna be doing next? Oh, looking at stickers.
You fucking better believe it. I love stamp collecting.
Stamp collecting, mate. You know?
This actually used to be a firewall. That's why it's red. If you don't like it, that's your fucking problem.
That's what he reckoned, but I reckon it's red because you're a fast one, mate, you know? Right, now we start taking the screws out of the motherboard, you know? The gin board. Do that. Watch carefully.
Before was I talking about wanker's cramp?
And when he fucking screws you in this motherboard, I didn't want it to fucking fly out, no, did I? Fuck me, Dad. Anyone think there was fucking coons around gonna try and steal that fucking thing out of that box? Unplug some wires. Yep, that's him. She's out.
It's an old Athlon, I think. We'll have it down gently.
Now that's the power supply.
Yeah,
that
with
big
the old
box
power
there.
supply.
Unplug him and fucking fuck him off with his fuck. Yeah, just tear the fucker out after you slap the fucking thing around. Right, now we've got this old power supply.
And with a 6-year-old power supply, but it's 500 watts.
We put him in there and put a few screws in him. What's that wanker's cramp, mate?
Move that out of the way. This is the new baby.
Right.
It's a 6 processor,
This is your CPU.
1055T.
If you don't know what a CPU is, don't bother watching anymore.
That's it in the box.
It's got the cooler and all the shit. Rip him open, eh? It's like Christmas.
Fucking cooler. Put that to the side.
Righto, now we get this other box, and this is the new motherboard.
The Mobo. The Gigabyte 880 GMA UD22H something or other.
You know?
Righto, CD, yep, don't need that. Need that. Speaking of which, yep, I'll put that out there. Don't need that. Here it is.
We rip him out of the plastic.
I can earth myself.
Got to be very careful here not to touch anything.
That. Okay, let's just go straight in to get the fucking the CPU.
Now we put the CPU in the fucking CPU slot. So gotta get him around the right way. And clip him down like that. Now we put the CPU fan and the fins on.
I love how they've kept the old design. No fucking plastic. CPU fan.
And we plug him into the motherboard. So he got power, you know. Run the fan, make him all cool and shit.
Done.
Tradie likes to tie knots, so that's why he tied a knot in the lead.
Motherfucking RAM in there.
No, like goats.
This is Corsair DDR3 133 RAM. Oh, it's a Phantom 2 processor, by the way, an AMD. Forgot to mention that.
We poke them in the slots, clip them down.
Done. Now in the case she goes.
There you go. That's your CPU on the motherboard. Now we bring back the red box.
Shield.
And this thing here, we put the shield in the back. Make sure she's all tied up. So the frogs and fucking rabbits and fucking any other fucking animals you got laying around the house can't get inside. Now we put this... she don't look like she's gonna fit, mate.
Fucking tight fit.
Looks like you're gonna have to take the hard drive. That fucking dude that hold hard drive in, you know. So we unscrew him. Couple of screws. No wanker's cramps, see? Now we take him out like that. Now that motherboard should fit in there nice now. See, look at that. Make sure she's poking through the back all nice. And then repeat the process with 1 fucking million screws. When Nanga builds one in, he puts a couple of screws in. But anyway, this is Tradie Trevor, he does the things, you know, perfect. And I've got one of them electric screwdrivers, you know. Got him off the government, mate. Cheap. He's gonna run out of fucking screws here the way he's going. No, he keeps coming back with more. Must have got a packet of them on the government too, eh? I think Tradie might be on the fucking dole, mate, eh?
She goes. It's got an ATI video card on board, but I'm not a big fan of the ATIs.
Now we're gonna put the video card in.
Support with Linux, so I've got an NVIDIA, what is it? A PX 9500 GT.
We've got an NVIDIA card, so they're way better. Just poke him through the back, slide him into the motherboard, click.
So
Like that, see? Yes.
A little quick hard drive. I'm going to put in 2 terabyte drives. Well, I'm probably going to put 1 in, but I'll see how I go.
I've got one of them flash drives, mate.
I want to.
Very quick.
This case is fucking small.
Yeah, I think, yeah, that case is a bit small. I think you need some bigger hard drives, eh? So now we start plugging the shit in.
1 power connector.
Now look, the DVD drive and power supply plugged in the motherboard. All that sort of jazz, mate, eh?
Yeah, you can't.
Hey, you fucking cunt of a thing. Sometimes these wires take a bit of fucking around, you know? Because every motherboard different. There's the big plug. These little fuckers here, the on-off switch things and fucking reset buttons, they're fucking assholes to get in sometimes. He dies like a fucking owl. Go on, I have to cunt. I wanna watch some fucking porn. Where's he fucking gone? Get a fucking beer or a bit of goon or something, I don't know. Just fucked off. Ah, there he is.
2 terabytes should be enough for all the porn.
That should hold heaps of fucking porn, eh? What do you reckon?
Should fucking fit too. Don't really like smashing them together, but I don't have much choice. Fuck, I'm running low on screws. Hang on.
Hey, run out of screws, I told you you'd run out, eh? Fucking that motherboard, 100 fucking screws in it. Wish I had as many screws as that motherboard had. Fucking rough on gear this gun, I tell you, but anyway, they're pretty good these days. You screw them all in, Tradie. That's the way, brother. Now that one ran the wrong way, eh? Yeah, brother. They're pretty fucking quick at this, I'll tell you what. Last time I built a computer, it took me 3 days. On the goon, though. Righto, we pop them all in. Just click him in like that. Or nearly. That's it. Click. More screws.
Click through the shears, boys. Click, click, click.
Well, I know that song. Click those are shears, boys, eh?
Fucking lights running out.
I'm fucking nearly done here. Yeah, just screw that video card in. That's nice and good, no one's stealing. Now I just figure out all this fucking wiring and plug it all in. Plug that one in and that one and that one. You'll always find some spot for them to plug into. You know? They only go one way. So it's pretty fucking easy really, but
Power through there.
not many people can do it in this amount of time.
Power in that. And you can't.
Explosive words, get in you cunt.
Shut other shit off.
Fucking shovel it all in, that's it.
Shove that
Fucking poker down, poker.
Solder
Righto.
cables.
Now we've got to plug the hard drives into the motherboard. They're red things there, they're called solder cables. And you can't fuck them up. One end goes in the fucking motherboard, another one goes on the hard drive.
There.
And because we've got 3 hard drives, we need 3 solder cables. And we get them all up, plug them into the hard drive. And there you go. Now we just tidy him up a bit. Tuck all the wires away. Make it look like a professional job. Yeah, poke him up in there, mate. That's it. Yeah, you got him. Yeah, shove him up there. Like you're putting your fucking hand up a goat's ass. There you go.
Ta-da!
Look at that.
I gotta put it back together there, don't I? We'll see how it goes. That's it. That's how you build a fucking PC.
She's ready to fucking roll, mate.
Hey, righto, cuz. Let's go watch some porn. You've done it, son. What a fucking ripper.